So here's the last thing I'm going to show you. It's going to be how to use raw git. And I'm going to, I guess I'll keep using the same repo. No, I'm going to cd up and then remove recursively with force temp. And then I'm just going to go to our editor. And I need you to create a page. So new directory 003. And then I'll just copy this one. I'll do it for all the way through. New HTML file and index. And I want you to use some styling on it. So mine's going to be h1 hello world and then a paragraph. And lorem. Cool. And then style. And rule set. Declaration block, declaration, color blue. And so it's going to make that blue. And I could have multiples in there if I want. So paragraph, color green. And you could look up other rule sets. CSS, bold, right? And font weight property. So font weight, bold. So I could say this one, font weight, bold. And now that's done being coded. I'm going to cd into that directory. And get status. Right, there's the file I just created. 003 git add -- all git commit -m homework git push. And then I could go to my repo and HTML CSS. And go into temp and spring and 003. And then in here, this file, I think, I go to something called raw git. And I drop in that URL there. And then for development, just copy that. There's my file served up through, grabs the code off of GitHub and then serves it, and it's like a web page I can access. And then you'll just copy that URL, and that's what you'll submit with your assignment. And so use, edit, use the following tags, the following elements. H1, paragraph, unordered list, list items. Please use CSS. Oh, you also need style to style the H1 some color. And you're going to submit a URL. It'll be worth 100 points. And that should be under our assignments. So select an IDE, create a GitHub repo for this class, create an HTML page, and send in the raw git URL. And that's all about Thursday. Yeah, let's get that done by Thursday. So this was raw git. I hope I recorded that. Yay.